village located near the river Zilim. It's over there. Yeah, it's Zilim. It's one of the famous river in the Republic of Bashkortostan. Tomorrow I will go to another river. Yeah, you can see that. It's an old bridge. This bridge goes to another part of our village. Yeah. And that's just not a lot of big mountain here. That guys just arrived by this rafting. They did a rafting. It was because Zilim it's very popular for making some rafting, especially in the May season, May and June season, because the level of water is highest level at this time. That's why it's very interesting to go by rafting. The river very soft in this place because it's not a mountains is over there. It's just at the end of the road. At the beginning of the road it's in another place. So such looks the usual village in the Republic of Bashkortostan on river Zilim. So looks nature of Russia, yeah. River, mountains, and green grass, green trees. So the summer season starts. Russia travel, we go further. Hey, doggy dog. Hey. Hey. Да, стол оккупировали, тебя там не ждут, дружище. И завтра дождись, завтра здесь много команд будет финишировать. Завтра ты покаваешь тут. Завтра будет финиш у многих. Давай. Вот завтра я знаю одну команду, человек 40 точно приплывет. Тебя накормят завтра.
Терпение, девушка.
Прям со Стерлитамака, что ли?
Нет.
Ага. Сколько дней для шли? А, вчера? Нормально.
Найти еще не можете.
Че, как тяжело? Да? Рюкзак тяжелый?
Нет.
У вас девчонки одни, что ли?
Да. Гася? Прикольно. Я в прошлом году здесь был, 3 дня только.
Погоди, там еще этот рожек не сгорел весь.
One of the team for rafting, just only girls, just one instructor of mine. So we made a small picnic, and after that we go to this mountain. Yeah. Let's go.
Ниже воды. Давай, Татьяна, иди сюда.
The bridge is not very new. It's very old, and it's used. It's wood. It's not new. And it's built, yeah, there is a house. It's okay. Just going forward. Yeah, you see? It's a house. Just a little bit afraid to go on this bridge. Oh shit. side. And this dog again. Well, every time when I go by such a bridge, I'm just a little bit afraid. But one of my friend, his favorite joke, he said every time that, "Oh, don't be afraid. You will not go down more than the level of Earth." So we crossed the river. It's another side of it's another part of village. Yeah, we will go to the peak. Yeah, it's real Russian village. Что встаете? Устали уже, что ли? Стоит ли, да? Я думал, вы вариант на это покороче. Эй, собака, не пей, козленочком станешь. Люди живут, да, вот так вот вообще. Цивилизации вроде нет, если что. Да, вот интересно, на чем они живут-то так? Самое интересное, так не видно. Езжаешь, блин, в городе не зачем заняться. Стоишь уже? Смотри, собака за нами нельзя пошла. Started going up. Continue going up. It's a view of the other villages and the view of the valley. Yeah, I'm a little bit tired. This is view of the valley of the river in there. Yeah. So we reach the peak of the Everest. I'm kidding. So the Everest, just peak of the small mountain near the river in the Zilim. Yeah, I breathe deeply because it's hard. It was hard. It was not a long trip, but it was a short trip. But it was very nice. Yeah, nice view, excellent view on the valley near the Zilim river. Yeah, yeah, it's cool. There's only 2 of us. Other group is coming out. Yeah, it's going. So some villages now. And you see that in this side there isn't any mountains. Only the mountains in this side. Because in that South Cyril is starting from this point. Yeah, you see? The small mountains, but over there it more and more. So it was nice, yeah. Probably it's like 300 or 400 meters. It's not so high, but yeah, you see that it's not probably Everest, but it's also high. Yeah. So hiking is a normal place. Yeah, if you go here, go hiking, go trekking. Yeah, it will be so nice. So, Russian Travel Channel. My name is Stanislav. I hope you like it, love it. I hope you enjoy it. Let's rock and goodbye. Yeah, some birds over there. you see? Yeah, birds. It's like two strips of the birds. Yeah, it's interesting. On the mountain, on the Zilim River. This is Russian travel channel on YouTube. My name is Stanislav. This is view of the real view of nature, of countryside on a village on the South Ural in Russia. Yeah, it looks like this from the top of one hill, one mountain, not big mountain. So you can see how it looks from the top. It's top view on the village in the valley near Zilim river. Yeah. This is Russian travel channel. My name is Stanislav. I hope you live it. I hope you love it. I hope you enjoy it. Be with us next time. Another nice view from this mountain on the valley of Zilim river. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. This is river in Zilim, near with village. Yeah, we are going to our bus. Yeah, look at this. This is typical road in Russian village. Yeah. Yeah. No theory, only practice. Yeah, I'm not kidding. I just wanted to go over there. Yeah. You see? Oh. Yeah. This is typical Russian village. Yeah. Look at this. This is nature. This is nature in Russia. Yeah, it's cool. River. Yeah, it's quiet. It's pretty quiet. Some mountains near. Yeah. If you want to see real Russia, if you want to see natural Russia, go in this place. Russian travel advise you to do it. Мы поднялись вот на эту скалу. Сейчас идем обратно в деревню. Блин, скала-то невысокая, но подниматься было сложно. Потому что подъем довольно-таки резкий. Была часть по дороге, возвращаемся обратно. Река Инзер, Зилим. И я не помню, как называется деревня. В общем, вот такая вот у нас поездочка на один день. В общем, было круто. Что-то у нас сейчас дальше еще будет. Но вот это прям, наверное, сегодня изюминка всей поездки. Прям природа. Вообще, чувакам с этой деревни прям завидую, что река и вот такая гора. Блин, я не знаю, круто. Вообще мечтал бы так жить. Если бы деревня была немножко получше, там, то там, не знаю, какой-нибудь другой дом построил, рядом другая. Вот именно природа, которая здесь, ну, просто охренительно. Прям настолько клево, что я не знаю. Вроде ведь никуда далеко не уезжали, но чувствую себя, как будто бы в национальном парке побывал. Вот. Единственное, конечно, что сюда так ехать, в этом месте надо быть аккуратней. Слишком сыро, много воды. И вообще непонятно, как здесь идти. А, еще, кстати, я отдельное видео выложу, на английском, наверное, тоже, что надо следить за клещами, потому что в это время очень много клещей. И надо быть очень аккуратным. Надо себя осматривать. Особо не ходим по такой прям природе, по высокой траве. Там надо вот отметить, здесь в этом месте протекает родник, да, который где-то, наверное, видимо, соединяется с рекой. Да, грязь тут прям пипец. Ну ничего, это матушка Россия. Зато это дикая природа. Реально круто. Здесь сразу уже домики стоят. Вот мы деревенька. Мы идем обратно. Вот наша скала, куда мы поднимались. Блин, невысокая, но пипец, тяжеловато. Надо, короче, переставать жрать и тренироваться. Бегать хотя бы. now in a typical Russian village. We go in the middle of the village, and you can watch what's this Russian village. It's like typical houses, wood houses, material very usual. Russians use wood for building houses in a village. A village looks like this. It's like the main house, and near the main house is like a house for washing. It's like for bathroom. It's like it's called banya. It's like sauna. Yeah, it's not sauna. Sauna it's a little bit different. It's banya. It's like something in the middle between sauna and bathroom. Yeah, it's a typical Russian village. Yeah. Cool. Oh, some people over there in the cave. Большая пещера,
они в пещере были?
Да, они в пещере, мы проходили, они в пещере.
Ты палку посадишь, чтобы